Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits at home with wheat flour, only ways. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and line a tray. Measure 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Cut 6 tablespoons of cold butter into the flour until pea-sized. Stir in 3/4 cup cold milk until just combined. Pat dough gently, cut rounds, and bake 12 to 15 minutes until risen and golden. Focus on technique to make consistent biscuits every time. Keep ingredients cold, use a light touch, and avoid overmixing the dough. When butter stays in small cold bits, steam creates lift and flaky layers. Use a sharp cutter and press straight down without twisting to maintain height. If dough seems dry, add milk by tablespoon until it holds together. Space rounds close to help them rise upward, not outward. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a clean, crisp ride scent that pairs nicely with a picnic of fresh biscuits, and it smells better than my cooking sometimes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Small flavor choices make big differences in wheat biscuits. Stir in 1/4 cup grated cheese, chopped herbs, or a teaspoon of honey for subtle sweetness. Swap regular milk for buttermilk or yogurt to add tang and tender crumb. A light brush of melted butter on hot biscuits gives a glossy, rich finish. Let biscuits cool briefly on a rack to set crumb, then serve warm with butter or jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.